I know it's very hard to believe, but what if I tell you that I have created this full face of glam only using new products, and this was my first time using these products. I know, right? It's very scary to believe, but make sure you watch the video till the end to see what products, tips and tricks I have used in the video to master a face like this. There are many trendy products which I have used to create this look, so make sure you watch the video till the end.
Where do I begin?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing, and those who are new here, I create makeup related content and I have currently started making long form videos, so yeah, that is that. So today's video is not gonna be the typical ones which we usually do. It's the full face of doing makeup with new products. So these products which I'll be using on my face is bought by myself, by my own money. No, YouTube is not paying me, no one is paying me anything. I bought it by myself. So I really want you guys to engage with my videos so that I start getting paid and my channel gets monetized. Yeah, so that is that. I have already applied pins. I'll redo it again because it is looking pathetic. So I know the last video was all about I was getting ready for the Chanel event and stuff, and it was such an amazing experience. I really wanted to talk to you guys about all of the stuff that happened and what I did, and they gave me some goodies. Yeah, I got a Chanel goodies, guys, so please stop talking to me. So we'll start with the process, and later we can just interact and do things, right? So the first product which I'll be using is this moisturizer from Minimalistic. I am so much obsessed with it. I have a combination skin and the product just does not stick to my skin for a very longer period of time, and usually it tends to break me out. Already applied this prior, we'll just get directly onto the base. So all of this product are new. I have now tried, I have not tested, and these products I have been buying since past 2-3 months. So it was just like random purchases. I went to Tira, I bought some products. I went to Nykaa, I bought some products. It was mostly that. So yeah, about my Chanel, this is the primer we are going in. It's a Elf Grip Primer. I have heard good things about it, and we are gonna try her, and we'll share the first experience as well, guys. So as I said, I was there and they gave me goodies, and it was my first ever event of my life, and it was pretty much shocking for me कि I don't have that many followers on the gram or anywhere, to be very precise, anywhere. Still I got invited, and I'm really grateful to all the people out there who watch my videos and who genuinely, it is so sticky. Oh my god, it looks like I'm wearing. Remember we used to do that, the Fevicol thing in school where we used to apply Fevicol on our face? This is giving me the same feeling. It is very sticky. So I have seen this all over the gram. People just stick the primer onto the face. Yeah, it is there. Ow, ew. Yeah, see the product deposition. I don't know whether it's visible or not. It's giving me a good shine, and I'm really up for the shine whatever this is giving, and it looks very glass. I got invited to the Chanel event, and it was such a beautiful feeling, honestly. And I was like, those were the moments when you think that you have made and you have came so far. Those were the moments where you get that instant click that, oh, you have come so far, and look where you started, where you are going. And it was just like a dream come true. And I was very anxious when I was going to the event, and because as I told you guys that was my first event of my life, and yeah, it was an amazing experience, honestly. Overall a 10 on 10 experience. So I don't know how to describe the feeling, but it was something out of the blue. And I'm still, every single day I'm thinking about it, and I'm like, Ashna, you did it. So yeah, next product I'll be going in is this Anastasia concealer. So many things from the event, and it is like mind-boggling, guys, honestly. Taking some concealer on the back of my hand, I don't directly apply concealer on my face because it's a waste of product most of the time. So the feeling was so unmatched, and till date I think about that event a lot. Honestly, oh my god, this is very high coverage concealer. While I was buying the concealer, it was not looking this yellow, but so yellow, but you don't have to worry about it because it's gonna look all in place and position. This is the reason why I always say that always apply the product on the back of your hand and then work on your face, because see, there's so much product left and this is how it is looking. So guys, please start using back of your hand and then apply your products onto your eyes. With this NC30 MAC foundation, I've been meaning to get this foundation since a very long time, and I always was like, okay, let's just buy someday, sooner or later. My concealer have a very high coverage, so I was thinking maybe I can go in with some moisturizer and foundation. So I'll be mixing this two and I'll create a very skin-like foundation because the concealer is very high coverage which I'm wearing. I'm not a big foundation fan unless and until I'm going to a wedding or so. I don't wear foundation. I don't know why, but I used to before. Yes, I used to wear foundation with all of my outfits and every time whenever I was doing makeup. But then I stopped. I don't know, because I feel like makeup should be more like skin, and plus makeup don't have any rules, guys, so you don't have to follow a specific rule which is there in the book. So this trick which I'm doing is from Hailey Bieber. She mixes her foundation with moisturizer. Let's just start tapping onto the skin. Is it the light or do I think that everything is yellow today? So whenever you apply, don't drag, just start tapping. When you're doing it, just start by tapping your foundation and letting it sit into your skin. Then apply any other product and then go in with your brush. I'm using a concealer brush. I don't think so I need a full coverage wala look, so yeah. Again, this trick I learned in Chanel is just all dab the product into your skin. Do not rub it like this, like you're not washing clothes, guys. I know we are Indian and we have a tendency to just pull things, but we are not washing clothes, guys, so please make sure that you do not do this step. I think all of this will look good at the end. Also, do you think that MAC foundation usually oxidize? I don't know why, but I have this feeling that yes, it does oxidize to a very big extent. Let's just trust the process. We are gonna fix this with bronzer and blushes, so you don't have to worry about it. I don't think so I have anything to talk about. Like, I'm just so blank. Like, what am I supposed to say? What should I talk about it? And I don't know. So this is one of the products which I used to use prior and then I rebought it again. So this is not a new product for me, but I bought it again, so it considered as a new product. So this is from Makeup Revolution. Fun fact I'll tell you. So this product I gifted my mom, right? And then I used to go and steal from her vanity and I used to start applying on me initially when I started my makeup journey. And then my sister bought so many makeup for me, my father, all of my family members started buying makeup. So I remember when I was a kid, I used to go and steal makeup from my bua's makeup vanity, and I used to just come and I used to hide at the most hideous places in the entire world. And my mother used to clean the house, and then she was like, ये देखो तुम्हारा makeup ये लेके आई है. And my mother used to beat the shit out of me when I used to steal makeup. Got into makeup, and I don't think so I ever looked back. And yeah, so it's a very childhood story, very close to my heart. And I always thought that I'll mention this on my YouTube video, and once I start making a bada content, long form videos. So now that I'm done with this, I think it is looking better. Yeah, I feel my journey started stealing makeup from the loved ones, and then it went up. So guys, stealing is not a problem. Sometimes stealing can become a career. Look at me. An Indian brand called as Flossy Cosmetics. I saw this product and I was so intrigued because this have very similar formulation like Chanel, and the packaging is also so cute. Indian brands are actually living up to the expectations now. So I really love the part where Indian brands are getting innovative and they are going to the Western countries and selling the products like K by Katrina. Shout out to her. Very nice products she removes. And as a makeup artist, I love, not makeup artist, as a makeup content creator, I love her products. So yeah, I really want India to grow at a very good extent. Balm. So balms are always supposed to be applied with fingers. So this, wow. Oh my god, this is so good. I don't think so that this is gonna look good with the makeup which I have, so I'm gonna change the blush situation here and we'll opt for something pink and something reddish, so it does not look weird, but guys, it looks so stunning. From House of Makeup, again a very amazing Indian brand it is, and it's a 10 on 10 product, guys. Like, I remember they sent me this as a PR. Amazing product, guys, amazing. I'll show you. Also, can you believe I'm gonna wear a blush shade like this and it complements so much on brown skin. Like, even on Victoria's Secrets, they wear a red blush rather than wearing a pink blush. So I learned this recently, and I really want you guys to explore shade ranges apart from pink. Yeah, there are shades apart from pink, and most of the people in India gets afraid of darker shades. So guys, sometimes it actually works, and you should always step out of the comfort zone when it comes to makeup as well. So that's a tip I'll give you guys. I'll go in with the same bronzer palette. It has a highlighter shade, this one. On brown skin, red blushes and golden highlighters look so beautiful, and it's just like chef kisses. I'm using this one because it's gonna match with the vibe that I'm thinking of today. Done with this. Look how gorgeous this looks. I'm going in with this powder. I'm just gonna pat where it's required. I think only here it is required, under my eye. I was seeing Tate McRae's makeup looks, and she does the best eye makeup. Honestly, I really love. I'm so much into glitters nowadays. I always go in with a golden highlighter because she thinks that it gives depth. So I'll follow her advice today. And honestly, it is not looking bad. So I'm using this Huda One Coat Mascara. Amazing, guys. This is also a new product. It was a free product. I'm not wearing any falsies on my eyes, and this is how it looks like. Gives the best fake eyelash effect, and you can clearly see how beautiful this looks. Very excited for this product. I recently got from Fenty Beauty. I swear to God, I went there, I tried in Tira, and I was like, give me, guys, give me. Where's my money? Take my money. Take my money, Fenty. Rihanna, take my money, Fenty. Beautiful product, guys. Beautiful. I need a lip liner in this. Wow. I have already applied the lip liner. This is from Faye in the shade Borderline. I am obsessed with their products, guys. This is such a good brand. Let me just do my hair and then we can just shoot the beauty shots. And this is how the final result is.